Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I am going to tell you how I achieved this look. Of course, you can probably tell this is for Halloween. Um, but I've been so busy this month. I wanted to do a pink look for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So what I did was I kind of incorporated the pink idea and a Halloween idea at the same time. So this is what I came up with. It was kind of inspired by the Queen of Hearts, which is something me and my friend discussed. She was Alice in Wonderland for Halloween, Miss Shan. So I decided I would kind of do something inspired by Alice in Wonderland. So this is what I came up with. It's kind of different, I know. But I'll tell you what products I used. So first of all, I started with the P. Louise base. This is called Winter Rose. And I kind of tried to carve out the heart shape on the eyes. So I kind of went down. This look is also inspired by somebody I saw on Instagram, and unfortunately I forgot the name and everything, but she did something similar, like a halo heart look. So I kind of got inspired by that too. So I started with the base, and then I went to my Wild Side palette by Believe, and I used a couple of colors out of here. So I used Azalea So Fetch, which is, try not to stick my finger in these, this color and that color. And then I also used Crimson and Wind Down, which are these two colors right here. And then I used a black from a Morphe palette. So I just kind of took the colors and started out with the lighter colors and ended up with the darker colors, like as you get closer to the corners, inner corners. And then I put some black underneath, and then I did this halo glitter with this glitter from Coastal Scents. This is an old company. If you know, you know. But it's a glitter called Ballerina Dream. So that's what I put straight down in the middle. I used these Butterfly Effects by Desi Lashes in Ghostface. Some of her Halloween lashes. So I put those on. I used the mascara down below by Maybelline in Space something. What is it? I can't see the name. It's Space something, but it's the Sky High mascara. Put that at the bottom, on the bottom lashes. I used these sticker stencils like this, and I had kind of a fail, so I used the stencils to do this is a King of Hearts supposed to be. I used this glitter. I don't remember where it was from or the name of it, but it's King of Hearts, a spade, which I used this glitter from Star Crush Minerals and Lilac Frappe. And this one this is from the same as Too Fab. To do the spade. And then I did a diamond and Lit Cosmetics Glittergasm glitter. And that's by Lit Cosmetics. So those are the stencils I used on the cheeks to try to get that effect going. And then for the lips, I used 2 MAC lipsticks. They're actually both Viva Glam lipsticks. In the heart, the darker color, I used Viva Glam Ariana Grande. And then for I kind of tried to blend it out, do some pink on the outside, and this is Viva Glam Nicki Minaj. And then also I wanted to discuss my nails. They're press-ons. So the thumbs, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a pretty pink iridescent on the thumb, and that is by Dashing Diva Magic Press Nails. And then the ones, I have some iridescent. Let me see. This one is iridescent. This one kind of is too. And then that's just burgundy. But these are Nail Bliss. I got these from a local beauty supply. So I thought they would go with my jewelry set. And this is another set I got when I went out of town to St. Louis to a fashion show, and there was a vendor out there, and when I was in line I saw the set and I was saying, okay, I got a call, I guess. So when I saw the set and while I was in line, I was like, okay, if somebody buys it, fine. But if once this fashion show is over, if it's still out there, I'm getting it. So I ended up getting it. It was earrings and necklace set. So I said, I don't know where I'm gonna wear it to, but I thought it was so pretty, I just had to have it. So it's got some serious weight to it. But I just thought it was so beautiful that I had to have it. So, yes. So this is the look Halloween / breast cancer awareness wearing pink look that I came up with. And if you would like to see the steps and how I achieved the look, I will link the tutorial down below. It's on TikTok. And I hope you like this look. And I hope this look will inspire you to create something of your own. I am the Queen of Shadows, or the Shadow Queen. And happy Halloween.